All right, let's see. So, guys, I'm taking out this Aprilia. I'm going to move it out. A little nervous. Oh, God. Holy fuck. All right. Okay, good morning, everybody. It is the Race Rocketeer. Today is my Friday. I am on my way to work right now. Too much fun. I'm on my way to work, and it's a gorgeous day out. Oh my god. I wanted to call out sick, but now I can't because I just said it on video. Today's a very good day. We got a Aprilia Tuono Factory 1100. I think that's how you say it. A bike that I've always been very excited to ride because I've heard it's kind of, I don't know if you call it a cult favorite, but like people who know motorcycles always know about that bike. Aprilia was kind of like not the first thing you think of when you think of motorcycles, but once you're a year or so in, you've heard the name, and you can't help but want to try it out. So we got one into the shop. I'm going to give it a test drive. I obviously can't take it on the highway and really put some mileage on it, but I can take it around the neighborhood and get a feel for it. I know, I'm already anticipating the comments. You're not going to be able to feel what the bike is about in a neighborhood, and that's absolutely true, but any opportunity is a good one. So very excited to try that out. I'll probably do it on my lunch break, and yeah, and then that's my week. But I'm going to enjoy this ride before I get to work. For those of you who know the city, yes, I am going in the wrong direction, but I had some extra time and I wanted to enjoy my morning. So going into Manhattan only to turn around and get out of it. I have to say, I filled up my front tire. I was short about 6 psi, so I did not do my due diligence on checking my, my tire pressure, and it did make a huge difference. I mean, that's a big difference, and the bike was really feeling like sluggish and weird, so I thought I had a flat, which is why I checked. The back was short by like 2 psi, which is okay because I think as I ride, the tires heat up, it should expand. So I didn't really touch the back one, maybe in a week. Oh, the cool breeze, I love it. New York City's finest transportation system. Triumph Brooklyn, everybody. All right, let's see. So, guys, I'm taking out this Aprilia. I'm going to move it out. A little nervous. Oh, God. All right, guys. So the Aprilia Tuono 1100 Factory. It's a V4 engine. I don't really know much more about it other than it's a crazy bike. So I'm excited. A lot of different rider modes available, starting at, I think there's road and then like track and then super track and super duper track, something like that. Holy fuck. All right. Yeah, I'm not used to having an exhaust. This is absolutely gorgeous. It sounds so good. Woo. Definitely weird. Much more engine braking in first. Oh man, this is a beast. This is man, riding around in the city is not gonna even touch what this bike is made for, so that's really unfortunate. I don't have more time, but the sound of this exhaust makes me really want an exhaust. Oh my god, you can actually feel the bike. It's speaking to you. Yeah, this bike does not want to do low speed. So right away I can feel the wheelie control pop up. The tank, it's like perfectly situated and kind of right where I want it to be. My legs have this perfect cutout groove, and I feel really stable in a way that my Street Triple, it's a little less formed to the body. The clutch is very heavy, which makes sense because it's a fucking 1100cc bike. God, this bike wants to go fast. Holy shit, it's so smooth. Oh my god. Well, this has been a very short ride, but a really fucking awesome bike. God, I think I'd be okay on this actually. Obviously. If I can U-turn on. Oh shit, I was not ready for that. Holy shit, that was a lot of fun. Yeah, I need this bike. I know I didn't even get a chance to really touch the potential of it, but yeah, it's actually manageable lower down and in the city. Not bike of choice, but could be done, and I bet it would be an absolute problem to ride on the road. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. This has been a very short video by the Rice Rocketeer. Make sure to click that subscribe button down below. I'm going to see if I can get the okay to do a highway ride on this. That would be absolutely amazing. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Peace.